Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Today there is a special guest, our sister Sheba, and she's going to show her special dish, that is rasam.
Hi, we'll start with rasam today. So I'll be showing out the ingredients, what is required. I've taken around 6 tomatoes. I've taken coriander leaves. I need some curry leaves. Then I've taken around 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 2 spoons of jeera and 1 spoon of pepper. So this paste I'll make it ready. I'll start it and let you know.
Okay. Hiya. And here comes our sis Priti. And this is her kitchen today.
With lot of mess in between around.
So enjoy our fun today with rasam. What is this?
Tamarind.
Lemon size of tamarind has been soaked in water. So
Okay.
hot
Hot
this
water.
diluted water, we'll be pouring it out.
Okay. So here is a kadai getting ready for tadka. Whose recipe is this?
This is actually my mother-in-law's recipe where she'll be adding some dal water also into it, which adds a taste to the rasam.
Okay.
We'll add 2 spoons of oil, and then we will start with seasoning of some mustard seeds to it,
Around 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of jeera,
Okay.
and then I'll add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and 2 red chilies. So this we have added, and after this we will add tomatoes to it.
So these are all my celebrities, okay?
So we'll just sort it out. You have hing with you? If required, we can add hing to this.
Yeah. So some asafida.
Yeah. So we'll add little of this. That is dal water.
Dal water only. How much dal you put?
1 hand of dal I have taken and I have put it.
Like 1 tablespoon.
No, 1 hand.
1 hand. So it will be
Around
1 spoon.
5 spoons.
Huh. 5 tablespoon makes
Yeah, tablespoon.
1 hand.
Now I'll add this tomato. Let this get cooked for 5 minutes. You can add salt to this so that it will get cooked fastly.
Okay.
So I'll just add 1 spoon of this so that it is getting cooked fast. Later when it is cooked, we can add little of turmeric powder to this and tamarind water and dal water.
Okay.
Our rasam will be ready.
Ready. What did you brought, sister? Show.
Oh, nice.
Fresh curry leaves
So we'll add that to rasam.
from Zapto.
Yeah.
So around how many petals? Around 1 tablespoon.
Yeah. No, I'll
10
wash.
petals.
I'll put down. Yeah. Can add.
In that mixture.
Some more also I can add. One more.
One more.
Yeah.
So no green chilies,
That
no?
aroma comes from curry leaves and coriander leaves for rasam.
Rasam. See these two celebrities on our cooking channel. Y'all are now famous.
Slowly it is getting soft. So we'll wait for another 2 minutes so that it will be ready. I'll add the coriander leaves at the last.
Okay.
Now I'll show one paste. We'll be adding it up around 8 to 10 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
I've added 2 tablespoons of jeera,
Okay.
1 spoon of pepper. So
Okay.
I'll powder this and I'll keep it, which I'll be adding it last.
Okay, so this is the rasam powder.
Rasam powder. So I don't add any powder.
Okay.
This will be the powder.
Fresh powder.
Fresh powder. Okay. So you have to grind it to a coarse, not very much powder, but it has to be like a coarse.
Both people can be seated here.
So this is nice meshy, na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Still we'll wait. Then only that full essence of tomato will come into that water
Mhm.
of rasam. You cut and make like this, will you taste?
So better not to make puree.
Yeah.
Better chop it and then make the
Okay.
like this. Then
Yeah.
it will taste better.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
When it starts boiling, the smell will start.
Hmm.
So 3 tumblers of water.
3
Finally, the
Three
rasam
cups,
smell
na?
is coming.
Coming. Yeah, you got that.
One feedback.
That has come.
Thoroughly skimmed.
Yeah. We have added fresh curry leaves to the rasam. So only brother has got that aroma and he has come to
He's
kitchen.
come to the
No, I
kitchen.
said it will start now. The smell will come, aroma will come.
Yeah. We'll take some water and we'll add to this.
Yeah.
I want some haldi powder to add to this.
1 teaspoon?
Little.
Little.
Pinch is more than
Okay,
enough,
pinch.
yeah. I'll take only this much.
Okay. So a
More
pinch
than-
of. Okay, fine.
It's more than enough. Let it be for some, say 1 minute.
So like this 4, huh?
This 2 we'll add.
2.
Because tamarind water we'll add. Dal water we'll add.
Okay. Okay,
Now
okay.
we'll add only 2 cups of water. It's more than enough.
Less work, na? Grinding and all that thing. This is better.
You put some salt, it will become soft.
So like this one more, na?
One more. You can add normal water also. It's okay. Anyhow, here we get. Now we can pour tamarind water also.
This much is okay, no?
Yeah.
Strain it and then add.
So many hands.
Mm.
Now let this come to a boil. We have to add dal water then.
Okay.
At the last, we have to add this paste
Okay.
because that should not have a boil.
Mm-hmm.
Last after
Okay.
adding, we will put it in sim. You can check for salt and add because 1 spoon of salt I've added. Now we'll
So
check.
salt to taste, na?
Yeah. We will taste and see. Need one more spoon of salt.
So today we are also having little bit of fellowship time and some chess. So Shiona is there, Shaden is there, and my husband is there. So who is winning?
Still in decision.
Oh, you are winning. Okay. So this is dal water, right?
Shall I put this? Everything?
Yeah. Do you want to? You pour only the water. We'll check.
Only water.
Only water is more than enough.
Because if you add dal, then it becomes
becomes
sambar,
sambar.
na?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Only water is required.
Color looks nice. Now that will go, na?
Almost all we have added. We'll give it to a boil.
Then you can add this.
We'll add this. Put to sim. Add coriander leaves. It is done.
Done.
This much is okay? Coriander?
Yeah, please.
Or you more?
I think it's enough. Let's see. Now only the tomato flavor has come.
Come, no?
Tomato salt. Tangy it is.
Changi.
It's nice.
Farah can't get celebrities. On our channel, you all are celebrities.
You'll taste. Yeah.
Chalo now, add this.
This is garlic, pepper and jeera.
Okay.
Curry leaves a little bit.
Curry leaves. So after adding this, we'll put it to sim.
For how many minutes?
We'll keep it for just 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah. And we'll add coriander leaves and turn off the stove. It's done.
You
Okay,
want to
garnish
use and
this.
throw.
With coriander
Leaves.
and taste. It is very delicious.
Thank you so much for sharing your mother-in-law's recipe on this channel. Thank you, sis. Thank you,
You're
sis.
most welcome.
Yeah. We'll catch you all for more recipes soon.
Yeah.
Thank you.